Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share an instant tiffin recipe. We're going to make these delicious and crispy vermicelli pancakes. So let's get started and check it out. Take 1 cup of roasted vermicelli. I'm using a 250 ml cup measurement. Now pour hot boiling water over the vermicelli. Just mix it once, that's enough. The heat from the water will soften the vermicelli perfectly. So there's no cooking needed. Let it soak for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, strain the water completely using a strainer. You'll notice the vermicelli is now soft but not mushy. That's exactly what we want. Transfer the softened vermicelli into a large mixing bowl. Now add 1 large onion finely chopped. Grate 1 medium carrot. Then add 2 finely chopped green chilies, a small piece of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Next, add half a cup of Sooji Rava. This gives a nice binding and slight crunch to the pancakes. To make it even crispier, add half cup of rice flour. Don't skip this, it makes a huge difference in the texture. Finish it off with some chopped curry leaves and a few fresh chopped coriander leaves. Now mix everything well. At this stage, taste the mixture and adjust salt if needed. Now slowly sprinkle water a little at a time and mix everything. Don't pour all the water at once. You want a thick, scoopable consistency. Let this mixture rest for about 5 minutes. During this time, the vermicelli and rava will absorb the moisture. After 5 minutes, check the consistency. It will have thickened slightly. Now add another half cup of water and mix again. This step is important. It helps you to spread the pancake easily on the pan. Now heat a small pan on medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and spread it evenly. Take a ladle full of the vermicelli mixture, place it on the pan and gently spread it into a thick pancake. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for about 2 minutes on medium flame. Open the lid, drizzle another teaspoon of ghee on top, spread it gently and carefully flip the pancake. Cook the other side until both the sides turn golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove it from the pan and serve it nice and hot. There you go, your crispy, flavorful vermicelli pancake is ready. Today I'm serving it with some fresh coconut chutney, but you can enjoy it with any chutney of your choice. If you prep the vermicelli rava mixture in advance, you can quickly make this as an evening snack when kids come home from school. Trust me, they'll love it. So here are these instant vermicelli pancakes. I am serving it with some nice fresh coconut chutney by the side, but you can enjoy it with any chutney of your choice. So delicious with the nice crispy vermicelli and this nice onions, and of course that chutney combination is just excellent. Here is a great tiffin recipe idea for you guys that you must try. So here is a fun and interesting tiffin recipe that you can try, especially when kids are hungry or they just come back from school. You can prepare the batter and make it nice and hot and give it to them. So do try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.